Do you want to learn how to draw and paint stylized portraits on Procreate? This is the perfect course to learn how to do that. I am Ginevra Grigolo. Some of you might know me as Ginny Joy from Instagram and other social media platforms, and I am a digital artist and 2D animator from Italy. In the last 5 years, I focused mainly on painting female portraits digitally, and my style transformed over the years. I started off with a more cartoony approach until I developed the skill to paint stylized and realistic portraits. I know how hard it can be when you have an idea in mind, but somehow it doesn't turn out the same way in your artwork. Or you feel inspired to paint, but you don't know where to start and you feel demotivated. Well, don't worry, because in this course I will show you how to paint a stylized portrait step by step from start to finish. We will analyze and break down our reference image, play and understand colors, and paint hair, skin, and much more. Whether you're a beginner who wants to explore the world of painting digital portraits or an advanced artist who wants to improve their skills, this course is for you. Each section will cover a different topic where you can follow my process lesson by lesson and practice what you learn through resources and assignments. In addition, you will get extra content like free brushes, step-by-step process images of my artwork, layered Photoshop and Procreate files, and access to my Discord community where you can ask questions, get feedbacks, and post your artwork and progress. I am super excited to teach this course and I hope to see you in class.